Do you often find yourself wondering how you can become more attractive and alluring to those around you? Well, you're definitely not alone. In a world where attractiveness holds immense power and your alluring aura can make people want you, it's only natural to yearn for that special element that makes you irresistible to others. But the question is, how can one conquer that peak of attractiveness? The answer lies in this captivating video. In this guide, we'll uncover the 9 things that you can do to be more attractive than ever before. From simple changes in your demeanor to enhancing your physical presence, we will explore the secrets that will elevate your charm. So, are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of attractiveness? Let's begin. Number 9. Focus on your purse and cup. Do you know that the way you hold your purse or cup can instantly enhance your attractiveness? Well, it's 100% true. Cup and purse behavior is basically about how you interact with or carry your objects. Do you hold them tightly or do you keep them far away from your body? These little actions reveal subtle cues about your confidence, comfort level, and overall appeal. And believe it or not, there's actually research to back up this theory. A study from the University of Michigan, Gagan 2012, found that people who hold their purses or cups close to their bodies are seen as more attractive and trustworthy by others. Because when you keep these objects within your personal space, it sends a message of self-assurance, confidence, and security. So, do you want to be more desirable to others? Start paying attention to how you hold your purse or cup. Try to consciously keep your belongings close to yourself as it depicts a level of self-assurance. Number 8. Crack smart or dark jokes. Aren't you intrigued by individuals who possess the ability to crack smart or dark jokes, leaving everyone around them in stitches? Well, the ability to crack smart or dark jokes adds a unique edge to your attractiveness. These jokes don't only depict a good sense of humor, but also showcase your wit, intelligence, and fearlessness in exploring humor that pushes boundaries. People with this skill have a captivating charm that sets them apart and keeps others eagerly anticipating their next humorous remark. A study published in the journal Cognitive Processing, Shibata et al. 2017, explored the impact of humor on attractiveness and found that individuals who could effectively use smart or dark humor were perceived as more intelligent and interesting by their peers. These jokes demonstrated a clever and quick-thinking mind, creating a sense of intrigue and attraction. So if you enjoy cracking smart or dark jokes, embrace this aspect of your humor, as it makes you seem more attractive. However, it's essential to be mindful of your audience and the appropriateness of the jokes in different settings. Number 7. Change your walk. Have you ever noticed how a confident and purposeful walk can instantly make someone more attractive and commanding? A good walk is not just about putting one foot in front of the other. It's about exuding confidence, grace, and poise with every step you take. People with a strong and confident stride have an inherent magnetism that draws attention and enhances their overall attractiveness. In fact, studies have shown that individuals with a confident walking style are perceived as more attractive and confident. So, if you want to instantly be more attractive, try to modify the way you get up and walk. With practice, your walk will become a reflection of your inner confidence and enhance your overall attractiveness. Remember, a good walk not only improves your physical presence, but also leaves a lasting impression on those around you. Number 6. Keep a mysterious demeanor. Have you ever been captivated by someone who possesses an air of mystery, leaving you curious to uncover the secrets behind their enigmatic silence? Well, staying silent and mysterious can be a powerful tool to enhance your attractiveness. And staying mysterious does not mean you have to act weird or strange, but rather selectively choose when and what to reveal, maintaining an aura of intrigue and leaving people wanting to know more. People who master the art of silence exude a magnetic charm that draws others in, sparking curiosity and fascination. Research conducted at the University of California, Berkeley, Parfumdmer et al. 2018, suggests that individuals who display a certain level of mystery and keep aspects of themselves hidden are perceived as more attractive and intriguing by others. This allure stems from the desire to unravel the unknown, creating a sense of anticipation and excitement. So, if you wish to be attractive instantly, then start embracing the power of silence and mystery by carefully selecting what you share and when. Be comfortable with pauses in conversation, using them strategically to create intrigue and draw others in. Remember, the goal is to leave a lasting impression by piquing curiosity while still being open and approachable when the time is right. Number 5. Keep a genuine smile. Have you ever noticed how people are drawn to those who radiate warmth and happiness through their smiles? Well, there's something truly captivating about a genuine smile that can instantly light up a room and make you more attractive. A genuine smile not only enhances your physical appearance, but also showcases your inner joy and positivity. It creates an immediate connection with others, making them feel comfortable and at ease in your presence. Research has consistently demonstrated the significant impact of a genuine smile on various aspects of social interactions. For instance, a study conducted by the University of Wyoming found that individuals who displayed genuine smiles were perceived as more likable, approachable, and trustworthy compared to those with non-genuine or no smiles. But how can you cultivate a genuine smile? It starts with finding true happiness within yourself. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Practice gratitude and surround yourself with positive influences. When you genuinely feel content and happy, your smile will effortlessly reflect that inner glow. Remember, a genuine smile is not only a powerful tool to attract others, but also a reflection of your own happiness. Number 4. Good posture. Ever considered changing your posture to increase your attractiveness and presence? Well, take my word for it, it's highly effective. A straight back and wide shoulders not only make you appear classy, but also exude confidence and attractiveness in your physical demeanor. Research has consistently shown that good posture and body language have a significant impact on a person's overall attractiveness. People with proper postures are perceived as more confident, attractive, and charming by others. So, how can you achieve the best posture? It's easier than you might think. Start by practicing sitting straight and standing tall, with relaxed shoulders and a straight back. Imagine a string pulling you gently upward, aligning your spine and elongating your body. It may take a little practice, but it will become second nature over time. Even better, consider incorporating targeted exercises to strengthen your core and back muscles. Building a strong foundation will make good posture effortless and natural for you. Plus, it has numerous other benefits for your overall health and well-being. Remember, physical appearance plays a significant role in attraction, but it's not just about facial features, height, or body shape. How you carry yourself matters, and good posture can be a game changer. Number 3. Authentic vulnerability. Ever wondered why some people who openly share their true selves effortlessly draw others in and exude irresistible energy? Well, vulnerability is the key to unlocking your innate attractiveness. Being truly vulnerable includes embracing your genuine thoughts, emotions, and experiences and allowing others to see the real you. This genuine openness creates a deep connection that instantly enhances your charm and attractiveness. Studies have shown that authentic vulnerability increases perceptions of trust and likability. When you authentically share your vulnerabilities, it signals sincerity, fosters emotional connections, and makes others feel more comfortable and drawn to you. So, my friend, if you want to be more attractive, then embrace your authentic self and dare to be vulnerable. Share your genuine thoughts and emotions with others, allowing them to see the real you. By embracing your vulnerability, you will exude a magnetic charm that will invite others to connect with your genuine self. Number 2. Be altruistic. Have you ever considered being altruistic to instantly elevate your attractiveness? Well, being altruistic takes your attractiveness to another level. Being altruistic is not just about performing random acts of kindness or helping others occasionally. It goes beyond that. Altruism is a mindset and a way of being in the world that involves selflessly and genuinely caring for the well-being of others. It's about recognizing the needs and struggles of others and taking action to alleviate their suffering or contribute to their happiness without expecting anything in return. Research published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology suggests that altruism is highly associated with increased attractiveness and likability. When we engage in selfless acts, we invoke positive emotions in others and create a sense of connection and trust. Moreover, altruism not only benefits those we help, but also contributes to our own well-being and enhances our social desirability. So, to enhance your attractiveness, use the power of altruism and seek opportunities to make a positive impact in the lives of others. Remember, real altruism is not about grand gestures, but about making a difference, however small, in someone's life. Number 1. Dress to impress. Ready for an instant upgrade in attractiveness? Here's the secret. Dress to impress. Well, dressing and style go beyond simply wearing fashionable clothes. It's about expressing your personal style, paying attention to details, and presenting yourself in a way that reflects your confidence and self-assurance. People who dress well not only make a positive visual impact, but also exude a sense of professionalism and sophistication. Moreover, the way we dress sends powerful signals about our personality and professionalism. By putting effort into our appearance, we create a positive impression that influences how others perceive us. Recently, a study conducted in Northwestern University found that individuals who dress well are perceived as more attractive, competent, and successful. So, take time to curate a wardrobe that reflects your personality and makes you feel confident and comfortable. Dress appropriately for different occasions, considering the context and the impression you want to create. Remember, dressing well is not about following the latest trends or spending a fortune on designer labels. It's about finding clothes that fit well, flatter your body, and make you feel good about yourself. What are you waiting for? Go and rock your best outfit and watch the heads turn in awe. Now you've got 9 things that you can do to instantly become more attractive. By implementing the tips and insights, you can embark on a journey of self-transformation that will not only make you more attractive, but also open doors to new opportunities and deeper connections with others. If you've made it this far, we really appreciate your support. Comment down below with the word 100% so we know that you watched the entire video. Now, you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you 11 things that make a woman insanely attractive to men. Psychology. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.